Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how you can create a race car game. Very simple in Python programming. And without wasting any time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravant. Welcome to my channel Be Anonymous. Let's go into our Python window. Here is our Python window. In this game I require some of the pictures. So I have used the background, image 1, image 3, car and image 2 as my pictures. Today I am not writing this code with you guys because I think this is a very easy game, and don't worry, I will be providing this code source code in the description. If you want to know the detail how I have created it, you can check out my previous games or the previous video. I will provide it in the I button, or you can check in the description also. That's it. Let me show what are the terms I have used and how exactly it works. When I run this, you can see 3 cars are coming towards me, and the score is on the top left. Then after, you can see they're coming in from the random positions. Whenever I hit, it show me the score and it is crash. That's it guys, this is my game. Now let me show what exactly I have done. So let me slowly move the code so that you can visit it. Also, if you want code, here you go. This is my full code. Remember one thing, you can also optimize this code. I have done it very simple for those who are in a beginner. So you can also use the different functions and classes, but I have not used. It is very simple game. You may not find this type of code anywhere because it is my own code. I have created it. If first of all, let me show what I have done in. When I run this code, you can see the road is moving. Also, the cars are coming in an opposite direction, and I am able to move my car front down and all thing. Let me show. The first step is I have taken image.load. I have taken all the images. Then after, here this is my screen. I have created a screen. Then after, I have taken the road x direction and y direction. In here I have passed the road y plus road velocity. In the y direction, the road is moving, so I have incremented the value by giving the velocity of the road as 4, and that's all. I have used the 2 roads. As you can see, I have used 2 roads because the first row road will be moving. In the secondly, when I use the second row, when the first row is incrementing downwards, the road which is in the top, it means when I take the road y value has 0. Here you can see in the x position, let it be 0. X position it is 0, and the y position let it be 0. When I give road x equal to 0, then here minus 600, it means my road is on the top but it is not visible. When I change, let's say 1 minus 600, 599, and here it is 1, the road will move down. Then the road which is above the screen will also come down by 1. So that's so on. So when we see this when we see these images, we find that the road is moving, but actually only we are creating 2 roads and incrementing the values of y direction. That's it. And also I have used the car, which is our main player. Then also I have given the event loop. These are the event loops, event.py, and key down, key up, key left. I have given their velocities. That's it. This is my player, and the next one is our enemies. Not the enemies, they are the opposite cars which are moving. Here are the enemies, and I have given the x position 2, 3. These I have taken as the random. what exactly I did is I divided the screen into three parts. The three parts is 0 to 1/3 part, and 1/3 part to 2/3 part, 2/3 part to the last screen width. And in that random I have chosen the different cars moving in it. Here I have taken, as we know, the x direction and the y direction will be same in the random. Then after I have used the condition when they crash. Here you can see if the car y is less than the position 1 plus 100. Here this is my width, sorry, this is my height, and in the same position we have taken another condition that this way, because here I am using the surface. If you take if you make the car as a and rect, you can use the method as get rect method, and you can easily write a condition collide rect. When two rectangles collide, the game is over. You can do in such a manner also, but in this I have taken the surface method as in the whatever games I have created till now, the 3 to 4 games, I have used the get rect method. But we also need to know about the surface method, so I have used here the surface conditions. That's it. And at last, in the top corner, as we can see, we are able to see our score. So score, initially score equal to 0, then after when every car runs down, the score value get to 1. You can say score plus 1 equal to I have incremented the score with 1. Then whenever there is a crash, the score will be visible. And that's it. In the pixels I have given 60 pixel frame rate. This is my game, and you can easily get the code, so don't worry about it. That's it. In the 26th Jan I am going to upload a wonderful video. It is very useful those who are beginners. I am especially using that, so you can easily learn coding when you see that video. That's it. Okay, thank you. Peace.